This has been on my desk since January, and the expiry date is Sunday. So we got to eat it. And a lot of people were asking me all week, are you going to do a video and try this? So we're going to put ourselves out there and give this a shot, give you our honest opinion. And if we like it though, for $2, you too can have corn on the cob 12 months a year from the dollar store. Let's give it a try. Smells like corn.
Smells like cream corn, actually. It's pre-creamed.
Alicia is behind on the other side of the camera, and she can smell this corn from there.
I think Canada may be revolutionized, 30 seconds from now. Don't say anything. Ready? Use another minute in the microwave. But, you know what?
You've got corn all over your face. It's the best video ever. Zoom in on the corn. Right there. Well, there you have it. I didn't do as much as this guy. Boom Breakfast, thumbs up or a thumbs down, Bill Holman? Microwave corn.
I don't know what these guys are talking about. I microwave corn every day.
I can have yours, right? Awesome.